something is missing here. We just have the eyes and the eyebrows. What is missing? The hair. Look. Is this a boy or a girl? It's a girl. Repeat. Girl. Now let's put the hair of this one. Is it a boy or a girl? A boy. Now look. Let's put the mouth. Is the girl happy or sad? The girl is happy. How about you? How are you today? Are you happy? Teacher Erica is happy and this girl is happy too. Are you happy? Now look at this boy. This boy is sad. The boy is sad. Are you sad? Teacher Erica is not sad. I'm happy. How are you today? Look at this. A boat. Can you repeat? Boat. Repeat. Boat. Boat. Yeah. Have you ever seen a boat? Teacher Erica has seen a boat. Yes, I have seen a boat on the water, on the sea. Yes, I have seen a boat. Have you ever seen a boat? Repeat. Yes, I have. Yes, I have. Or, no, I haven't. No, I haven't. Nice. Guys, can we see boats on the street? No. Can we see boats flying on the sky? No. We can see boats on the water. Well done. And today we are going to sing and dance a song we call Row, Row, Row Your Boat. Okay? Teacher Erica is going to teach you how to dance and how to sing. And then I'm going to play the song and we are going to do it together. Okay? So pay attention. The choreography is like this. Imagine that you are in a boat. Okay? Repeat. Boat. And you are going to row. Let's repeat. Row. Yeah, because the boat needs to move. Okay? So let's go. Put your hands here and let's start. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Again. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. One more time. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Hey.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Row, row, row your boat
Row,
gently down the
row,
stream.
row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Life is but a dream.
Did you like it? Yeah, this song is very, very nice. To finish our class for today, we are going to have a very fun activity. We are going to make a boat. Yeah, let's do it together. We are going to make our boat, okay? So let's go.
We are going to need paper, scissors, Play-Doh, a bottle cap, safety match, and a bowl with water in. Let's start. First, we need to cut a triangle. Here and here. We have the triangle. Great. And I'm going to use a pencil to help me and make some holes. 1, 2, here. Now I'm going to use one safety match.
It's very important in order to help you.
Great. And now I'm going to take the Play-Doh and put here. Great. Now, ta-da! We have our boat. Very nice. And we are going to put the boat in the water. Very good, guys. And we can sing the song. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merry, life is but a dream. Great job, everybody. And you can play with your boat with all your family, singing the song. That's all for today.
It's time to say bye-bye, everyone.